Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, DIY Dad's back in the kitchen. We're gonna go with a Homestyle chicken and biscuit pot pie. Can you see that? I'm gonna see if I can get it to look like that. I'm gonna open up the Hello Fresh bag over here and see what we got. Got some chicken breast strips. Some biscuits, some celery, an onion, carrots, flour, thyme, chicken stock, a little cream cheese, some more chicken stock, and I think there's a little piece of garlic. I guess I need that. So let's see what it says. Carrot, celery, yellow onion, 1 clove of garlic, dried thyme, chicken breast strips, flour, chicken stock concentrate, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and the biscuits. Pillsbury biscuits. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, first thing first. Preheat oven to 425. 425. Preheat, wash and dry produce. Trim, peel, and finely diced carrots, finely diced celery, half peel and dice half of the onion. Whole onion is for 4 servings. Peel and mince garlic. Okay, so I'm going to get going in the mincing. Let me take my chopping board out. I'm going to wash the produce. And once I wash the produce, I'll turn this back on. Alright, first things first, everything is cleaned. I have to peel the carrots, dice them up very fine, dice up the garlic, dice up the celery, and dice up half the onion. I don't know about you guys, but I like onions in my food, and it's a kind of a small onion, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do the whole onion, not half of it. And I guess we'll see if it comes out good that way. I don't know if that's going to be an alter or a falter. We'll see, but I'm putting the whole onion. Take the dead end of the celery. Doesn't look very good. Doesn't look very Hello Freshly. I think that's fine enough. Oh, what happened to my little garlic? Did they mince it up already? The garlic was such a little clove, I must have minced it. I'll have to look back at the video and see where that garlic clove went. God only knows where it went. Okay, peel the carrots. Okay, cut the ends off. Ends are ugly. I'm not that good at dicing. Heat a drizzle of oil on the pan. This is where it all starts. Drizzle. HelloFresh is assuming that everyone has a cast iron skillet because you have to cook it in a skillet. It looks like at the end you put the biscuits on top to make a pot pie and throw this right in the oven. But they're assuming you have that. I happen to, so I'm lucky. Actually looks just like the pan in the directions. Okay, we're gonna pat the chicken dry. Pat it dry. It's a little salmonella between friends. There it goes. Says to put salt and pepper on it. I'm going to use a little garlic salt, only because I don't know what happened to my garlic. So just in case it's missing, it's got garlic salt. And some pepper, regular salt, and pepper. Do this for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and it says it will finish cooking in the next step as well. And we gotta put it on the side. Put it in here. We get one of these because this pan's gonna be hot. And it says to drizzle with oil again. On medium heat and add carrots. Add carrots, diced celery, and diced onions. Add everything. Put it all in there. Man overboard. 5 to 7 minutes or until softened with salt and pepper. More salt and pepper. Okay. And overboard. 5 to 7 minutes. It's 3 minutes so far. 3 minutes. Well, it's funny. This Pillsbury biscuits came with a recipe for mini chicken pot pies. Little single servers. Maybe we'll save that. And it says to put in the stein for the last 30 seconds before you start making your pot pie filling. Put that in now. Okay, now next, add 2 tablespoons of butter. One, 2. Stir in the flour. You gotta admit it's starting to look good. Add 1 1/4 cups of water. So you cook till it's thickened, and then you stir in the cream cheese. Now stir in the chicken. Season with salt and pepper again. Now put a thin layer of biscuits on top. It doesn't really give you a lot of biscuits. I'm going to stretch them out a little bit. So all the biscuits they give you, I would rather cover the whole top. But then it says to put a tablespoon of butter, melt it, and pour it on top of it. Oh, it said to peel apart the biscuits. I guess they're layered. I don't see that. I screwed up. I wonder why. I'm a novice. Alright, we're going to fix it. Didn't realize what happens when you don't read direction. That fills it up a little better. Tablespoon of melted butter. It did say to brush the butter on, but I don't have a brush to do that. And then it says to put it in the oven. Let's see what it comes out like until golden brown. Here we go. I'm going to clean up while it's cooking and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, let's see what she looks like. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, it's ready to serve. Okay, there she is. We'll taste her. Pillsbury chicken pot pie. With a Homestyle chicken and biscuit pot pie. Okay, taste test time. That's pretty tasty. It's pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was my Homestyle chicken and biscuit pot pie, care of HelloFresh. So not my recipe, but I did bake it. It is good, and I'm going to eat it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.